Hello students, good morning. Today we will start our next topic. That is the friction chapter is going on. There we have done the work done in a moving body on an inclined plane and acceleration of a body down on an inclined plane. There we have to find out this one. Now we are doing next our topic, that is a circular turn on a level curved road. When road are curved, then what will be circular turn? That is the safe turn then during the circulating on that curved road. Let we are taking this one. This road is our curved road. Then on this curved road, then as vehicle will turn, then their weight of the vehicle will act in mg, vertically downward direction. Then friction will act in that direction. Then normal reaction will go in upward direction. This term will act. Then where we are writing here, let R equal to normal reaction, F is friction, mg mass of body. Any body we are taking this one, then this is moving on this one road, then their mg act on this object. Then in equilibrium condition, then R equal to mg, then the frictional force F will provide necessary centripetal force. That the frictional force F will provide necessary centripetal force. Then F we can write there this one mv square by R. Here this friction force is equivalent by the centripetal force, then this one velocity will be maximum condition. Then after this one we will take their put value of this friction, as we know that then friction our mu R, that is the mu is a coefficient of friction and R is a normal reaction. Then we will convert this friction in term of mu R. Here we can write there mv square by R centripetal force. Then R equal to, from this relation we can write there mg, put value of this one, then we can write there mv square maximum by 2. Now from here this m to m cancel out. Here we can write there that mu g equal to v square by 2. From here we can write there velocity our maximum, then we will take this to mu g. Clear? Then from here we can write there are not 2, there will be R. Clear? Now here V maximum velocity on the curved road by the vehicle will be under root mu g R. That is this one. This is the maximum condition. Then there will be safe, that is the less than equal to mu g R. This equation gives the velocity with which vehicle can take the safe turn, which mainly depend upon the coefficient of the friction. Clear now? Next our topic, banking of a road. This is the important topic, banking of roads. That if road is banked, then how we can take a safe travel by a vehicle. Bank road, that means curved road, that is the one side is the sliding side, that we can see that on the curved road there is some sliding portion, that inner portion will be some level will be some less and upper one will be outer one will be some upper side, that there will be level of this curved road will be inclined. So as vehicle will turn like this one, they are the inclined on this vehicle. Let vehicle is going in this direction, then weight of the vehicle will be act in vertically downward direction. Then friction will be act on this of this object will be act this one direction. Let there we are taking theta angle. This one is the inclined on the theta angle, then friction will act this one direction. Then normal reaction of this vehicle will be act in that direction. Clear now? Then we will find the normal component along horizontal and the vertical direction. There is a horizontal component, this component. Then there we will resolve this component. Let there is a theta angle, this angle theta, then this also theta. Then this vertical component, this also will be our theta angle. Now resolution of our normal reaction in this direction will be r cos theta, and in this reaction, in this turn will be your r sin theta. This one is the resolution. Now here resolution of the friction. Now in this direction our resolution will be act our f cos theta, and in this direction resolution our f sin theta. Clear? The phenomena, what is banking of the road, the phenomena, there we will find with the help of this figure. Now first we are explaining that phenomena of rising outer edge of road above the inner edge is known as banking of road. Why we are taking their banking road? To save the traveling. That's why we are using this type of the road. Now here this from this diagram we can write our, let mg is the weight of the vehicle. Weight of the vehicle, if m is the mass of the vehicle, then we can write there mg. Then r equal to our normal reaction. What is our normal reaction? And theta is the angle of banking. Angle of banking. Then f is the friction. These are the terms which we have taken in this figure. Now from here various force acting on the vehicle. Various force acting on vehicle as shown in figure. Now from diagram we can write there, from diagram then we can write there, here will be our r cos theta, then opposite component is the f sin theta and mg. Now from here we can write there r cos theta equal to mg plus f sin theta by using the equilibrium term. Now from here we can write there, this take one side, then r cos theta minus f sin theta equal mg. One equation. Second equation we will write by using their horizontal component. Now there is a one component, horizontal component acting this one direction. There one component r sin theta, second component f cos theta. Then opposite component will be our centripetal force, that is the provided by this relation. Now here we can write there r sin theta plus f cos theta provides required centripetal force. So r sin theta plus f cos theta we can write here mv square by r. This one is the second relation. Now dividing equation second by first, divide equation second by first, we can write there v square by rg, this cancel out. Now here we can write there r sin theta plus f cos theta by r cos theta minus f sin theta from equation first and second. Now we will solve this relation. Now here we can write there v square by rg equal to r, we can take common r sin theta plus put value of f we know that mu r cos theta divide by r cos theta minus mu r sin theta. From here we will take common r from up and down. Now here we can write there sin theta plus mu cos theta divide by r. From here also we will take common cos theta minus mu sin theta. Now here we will cancel out. Now we can write there v square divided by rg equal to, this relation we can write like this one, divide by cos theta. After dividing then we can write there tan theta plus mu. Here we can write there 1 minus mu tan theta dividing by cos theta on both side, up and down. Now after this one, here we can write there v square equal to rg, we will take this side. Now here we can write there tan theta plus mu divided by 1 minus mu tan theta. Clear? Now velocity, from here we can write there under root rg, within bracket we are writing tan theta plus mu 1 minus mu tan theta. This equation, there is a equation. Now if the coefficient of friction is so small, then it can be neglecting. Here we can write there, if coefficient of friction is so small that it can be neglecting, then it can be neglecting, then we can write there velocity equal to under root rg tan theta. Clear? From this relation, now here we can write our tan theta equal to mu square by rg. Tan we can write here from this relation, height upon base, so we can write there this one relation, then h by b equal to mu square by rg. Then height we can write there bv square by rg. Up to this height, if we will bank the road, then it will be safe for traveling the vehicle. Clear now? This is the last topic of this chapter. Now chapter is completed. So complete your notebook up to this chapter. Now next we will start our next chapter in next class, and try to do solve related to this topic, numericals. Okay, thank you.